It's not it, but we're gonna try to make it it. You feel me? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Choerline and I'm back with another video. So I'm going to be testing out and also going to be doing a makeup without using foundation. We're going to do a full face. As you guys know, I live in Florida and it is hot and it's rainy and it's hot and it's rainy and it is hot and it is rainy. Actually stopped raining just about now. So yeah, I'm going to be trying out Colourpop's new moisturizer along with their concealer. Before we get started, you guys know I always go in with my Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer with sunscreen and rub it upward. Moisturize my face, so now I'm gonna go ahead and prime. For primer, this isn't necessarily drugstore. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I haven't used this one in a while. I usually use my Milk of Magnesia to scoop it all up, but because this is going to be a tinted moisturizer, I'm just going to go ahead and go with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just going to put it around the areas that are prone to get oily. A little bit more about this. I saw a few people reviewing this one. I'm like, let me go ahead and try it, because the last time I tried a tinted moisturizer was when Maybelline came out with their BB tinted moisturizer, and that was so with this one, I do know they have like a good variety of colors. Of course they can always have more, but they do have a good amount of shades. So with this one, I have the shade Deep Dark in 21W. I was going for the shade after it, but they didn't have it. But I'm like, if push comes to shove, contour, do whatever we gotta do to make it look as good as possible. With this one, it's a, I can always say the word in my head, but when it's time for me to say the word out loud, I always mess up. Hyaluronic tinted moisturizer. I said it, okay. It's a hydrating tinted moisturizer with skin perfecting lightweight coverage for fresh, healthy looking skin. Yes, that's what I need right now, okay. And you know Colourpop is cruelty free, so that's always good. Use blending sponge or fingertips to lightly dab and blend into skin. So I'm gonna do exactly what they say. This is what the bottle looks like. It is 0.45 fluid ounce. This line to me looks so fresh and clean, so I'm guessing that's what they're going for, and it looks really good. So I'm going to use my beauty blender. Make sure you have a damp beauty blender, a clean damp beauty blender, you guys. It's not a beauty blender, my apologies. This is a beauty sponge. I got it from Marshall's. You guys know Marshall's is like the store, so definitely go to Marshall's first, and then you can hit up Ulta and Sephora and the drugstore. But Marshall's, you get all the good stuff for a good price, and listen, I'm with it, okay? I'm with it. So I got 2 in a pack, and I think it was $3 for 2, and they're so soft. Because you know how sometimes you get like other beauty sponges and they're like tough as nails. These are soft, like they're so good. I was so I'm gonna put some, oh, you guys, I feel like this could be a little bit too light for me. If push comes to shove, we're gonna do what we gotta do. This is too light. So this is definitely a little bit too light for me. You guys can see this is definitely not my shade. I hope I can return it or exchange. How do you guys feel about tinted moisturizers? I've never had a good experience with them, and as you guys can see, I'm not having a great experience right now. I mean, it's supposed to be looking like, you know, like you woke up like this type of situation. Let's see. So this is what it's, you guys, my skin looking real bad. This is looking really bad. It's not it, but we're gonna try to make it it. You feel me? This is what the Tinted Moisturizer is looking like. I think I did the best I could. I think I used, what, 3 pumps? Let me bring it down to my neck. It's not bad. I just wish that it was my shade. It's separating or breaking, but it's supposed to look like, hey, I woke up like this. What it do? What the heck? We're gonna go ahead and move on. I'm gonna use, I also purchased the concealers. I just like the whole, it's giving you like fresh vibes. So you know, you're going for a fresh looking face. And with a tinted moisturizer, it's not full coverage. It is what it says it is. It's tinted and it's a moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. So I'll try to show you guys it before I put this on and what it's looking like now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the concealer. I have the concealer in the shade Dark. As you guys can, this is the packaging again. I really like the packaging. I'm not gonna lie. The packaging is good. The Colourpop, you did that with. The packaging is good. Leave it for a minute. Let it set for a minute. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend it out. I also purchased a darker shade. This is a deep dark. I'm going to use, I was gonna use this one to contour. This is in the shade Deep Dark 220C. And then the concealer that I got to conceal my under eye is 180N. Oh, it's very dark. I think this is the darkest shade that they have, and I was like, let me try to use that to contour. Okay, so you guys, I'm going to blend this out. This ain't working. Oh my gosh, what the heck? This thing is... Oh my gosh, this is not going like... Is my beauty blender too wet? This is not panning out to be what I thought it would be. My face is looking like, girl, I am trying. You guys, I'm trying. You know what? I don't think this goes with the tinted moisturizer. There's no way. There's no way. What do you guys think? Comment down below. It doesn't look bad. It just looks fresh. Like you have like a fresh face. Like, wow, your skin looks amazing. But it's little patches here and there. But I don't think it's bad. Hold up, now that it's drying, I don't think it's too bad. Of course, this is not my shade, but we're gonna go ahead and use the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. All right. I'm just gonna press it in, to be honest. So what are you guys thinking so far? It doesn't look too bad until I look up close and then I see that there are some imperfections. But then again, this is a tinted moisturizer. You know what? Now that everything is like setting in, it don't look bad. It don't look bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and I will be back. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. This one is not drugstore. It's a Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. So I'm just gonna set my face. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on some blush. And for blush, I'm using Juvia's Masquerade palette. I usually like to mix the color Ada and Cairo together. So this one and this one together, and it creates like the perfect blush. Like, it's so pretty. Like, I can't. can't. Look at that. Do you see this? Yes. But my lashes, the one that I really like to wear is the wispies. You can get the Ardell or the Salon Perfect. The Salon Perfect are like a little bit less than the Ardell, but you get the same look, to be honest. And I love the wispies. Like, these are the demi wispies. I love them. They're so natural looking, so definitely goes with this whole no makeup, I'm kind of wearing makeup, yes I am wearing makeup look. This natural look that we're trying to go for. Okay, got the lashes on. So this is the NYX Lip Liner in Espresso. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. So, ooh, this is looking good. And you guys, for my gloss, because I'm not wearing any lipstick, for the gloss, I'm gonna be wearing the NYX Butter Gloss. This is the Madeline shade color. I love this one. Ooh. And this is the final look. So this is, I feel like doing my hair, but then I don't feel like doing my hair. Oh, last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using my Morphe continuous setting mist. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Let's go ahead and give my thoughts on this. So as you guys can see, like, this looks so natural. Like, my face, I feel like I have nothing on my face except for my lashes and stuff, but I don't feel like it's not heavy. Of course, being like it's a tinted moisturizer, it's not completely full coverage, but you guys, like, it makes my skin look so nice. After I've done everything to my face, I think the color is okay. Like, it's not, at first when I first put it on, I was like, oh, this isn't my shade, this ain't it, baby girl, this ain't it. Okay, a lot of things are it, but this one was not. So this shade, I can slide with this shade. I can slide with it if I do my whole face like this, I can slide with it. But I could definitely go a little bit darker. I can go the next shade over. I'll probably insert what the next shade over is because I don't remember it from the top of my head. So, and I would give this one like a 7. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just in the beginning you're like, okay, Colourpop, I don't know what y'all was doing, but this is not pretty. This is just real fresh. Now that I put everything together, I actually do like it. When it comes to this one, I was looking for a concealer to contour with, and that one is, this is really good. This is really, really good. And the shade, once again, is a dark 220C. Now with the concealer, for me to conceal my under eye, I can go for a different shade. If it's for like your everyday wear, you can definitely go with it, but I'm definitely gonna see how it looks with other foundations. I'm gonna go ahead and come up close for you guys to see. This is the, as you guys can see, like, it's not gonna, you see, it's like a tinted moisturizer. I mean, it's not gonna hide all your imperfections and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said before, I can definitely go for a darker shade, so that's what I think I'm going to go ahead and do, just so it can blend a little bit more better for me. So with this whole line, I give it a 7.5, an 8 out of 10 for me. Let me know down below if you've tried the Colourpop Pretty Fresh line and what you guys think of it. So this is definitely perfect for South Florida, like I said, or any place that's really hot right now, or just anywhere at all. Like, this is perfect for the person who doesn't like heavy makeup. You could definitely use this. Put it on and you go about your business, okay? I can do this for the days where I want to wear makeup, but I don't want it to be heavy makeup. So yes, you guys, so this concludes the end of the video. I don't know where that came from. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me on your timeline, subscribe to your girl. What are you waiting for? Okay, and last but not least, put God first and you will never be last. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.